Hello students, today we are going to discuss multiplication and its application. This lecture is meant for class 5th and will be helpful for class 4th also. Okay, let us start. Multiplication क्या होता है, इसको समझने के लिए हम एक एग्जाम्पल लेंगे पहले. से फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल हम जो एडिशन में करते थे, फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल हमारे पास 10 क्लासेस है. ओके, 10 क्लासेस है, तो हर एक क्लासरूम में 10 बेंचेस है. 10 क्लासरूम्स, 10 benches each classroom. तो अगर हमें देखना है कि टोटल कितने बेंचेस है इन क्लासरूम में, तो हम एडिशन में क्या करते थे, 10 प्लस 10 प्लस 10 प्लस 10 प्लस 10 प्लस, यानी 10 को हम 10 टाइम्स ऐड करते थे. तो जो तभी जाके जो आंसर हमारा मिलता था, यानी 100. तो इतने बेंचेस हमारे पास है इन क्लास में. तो अब इसके बाद देखो, ये वेरी टफ है, वेरी इरिटेटिंग है ये वर्क. अगर कोई भी मिस्टेक है तो आंसर गलत निकलेगा. तो इस प्रॉब्लम को ओवरकम करने के लिए हमारे पास कौन सी एप्लीकेशन है, कौन सी ऑपरेशन है, मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन कौन सी है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन. तो इसको हम बहुत ही आसान तरीके के साथ कर सकते हैं. इस क्वेश्चन को कैसे, तो हमें देखना है कितने क्लासरूम है, 10. हर एक क्लासरूम में कितने बेंच है, 10. तो इसको बीच में मल्टीपल करेंगे, यानी ये जो क्लास मैंने बीच में डाला है, दिस इज द साइन ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन. नाउ वी विल सॉल्व इट. 10 मल्टीप्लाई 10, everyone knows 10 multiply 10 is equal to 100. Now you have to compare this result and this result. Which result will be convenient for us? Obviously this one, because it will save our time, save our money, save our paper, save our pen also. Okay, this is called the multiplication. We can say here now multiplication is the repeated addition. Repeated addition. How it is repeated addition? I have shown you in the example. Now we will see what is the property of multiplication. Number one property is that which you have to remember. If we multiply any number with 1, for example 7 multiply by 1, every time we will get answer number itself. Any number, whether it is 1 or infinity or to infinity, if we multiply any number with 1, answer will be the number itself. Number 1 rule. Number 2, any number multiply by 0, 7 multiply by 0 is equal to 0. How much number is bigger? When we multiply it 0, when we multiply it with 0, we get answer 0. This is number 2 property. And number 3 property, same example, 7 multiply 1 is equal to 7. 1 multiply 7 is equal to 7 as well. If we replace these numbers, see here 7 we have replaced it towards this, and 1 we have replaced it towards this place. So answer is same. Any number, whichever number you are going to do multiplication, when we change their place, the answer will be same. For example, here we will give one more example. 5 multiply 8, 5 multiply 8, 5 8 are 40. 8 multiply 5 is equal to 40 also. So you have to remember that if you are going to by heart the table of 8, if you don't know the table of 8, you can reverse it. Here 5 multiply 8 is equal to 40. Okay, now we will move towards one more property of multiplication. Fourth property, what is that? See, we have any number 3 multiply 8, 3 8 are 24, everybody knows. Okay, if we double one number and half another number, answer will be the same. See, we will double this number, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, and we will half this number, 8 subtracting 4 is equal to 4, 6 4 are 24. Any number, whether it is big number or it is small number, whether it is 2-digit number or whether it is 3-digit number, you can double. When we double one number and half another number, the answer which we get will be the same. Here you have to remember one more thing. The numbers that are multiplied are called factors. These numbers which we have multiplied, these are called factors. You have to remember it. These are called factors. यानी जो नंबर है जिनको हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, इसको इन नंबर्स को फैक्टर बोलते हैं. तो आप मुझे बताओ यहाँ पे कितने फैक्टर्स हैं. यहाँ पे जो भी हमने एग्जांपल यहाँ पे ली है, इसमें या इसमें या इसमें कितने फैक्टर्स हैं, ये आप मुझे कमेंट में कमेंट बॉक्स में बताइएगी. थैंक यू वेरी मच. तो उसके बाद जो हमारा रिज़ल्ट आता है इस फैक्टर्स को करके, द आंसर आफ्टर मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज कॉल्ड फैक्टर. सी, this is called factor. When we multiply two factors, the answer which we will get is called factor. Okay, good. Now identify. I have one question for you. You have to identify what is factor and what is product. Example is 4 multiply 5 is equal to 20. Now you have to identify what is factor in it and how many factors does this number have, does this equation have, and what is its product. Very good. Now we will move forward. See, we have questions of 2 digits, so we will try to solve it. Question: 7 multiply 40. Here you have to remember it. When we have 0 in this number, here it is 40, so we have 0. We can directly write it here. Can directly write a 0 here. After that, we will move towards this number and do multiplication of these two numbers. 4 7 are 28. Here this is only one step method. Now if you remember of class 3 or class 4, what you have learned there, this was the rule which you have learned there. You need to multiply first 0 with 7. 0 7 are 0. After that you need to move forward. 4 7 are 28. Okay, so we will add these two numbers, 8 2. Look at the answer, we get the same answer. See, here you have to remember one more thing. I will show you another example through which you can be able to remember it. See what is the example. 72 multiply 24. This is one of the example through which you have to remember another rule here. First of all, we have to multiply this number with these two numbers. Okay, after that, once we are done with the multiplication, we will go towards this number. 4 2 are 8. Very good. 4 2 are 8 and 4 7 are 28. Okay, this is very easy method. No need to worry about it. Now we are done with the multiplication of 4. After that, we will move towards number 2, and we will do first multiplication of 2 with the 2, and after that we will do multiplication with 7. Now here you have to remember one thing. When we are done with the first digit multiplication with these two numbers, here under the first digit you have to put 0, or you can put cross. Okay, so now we will move towards this number. 2 into 2 4. Here you have to remember important rule is here. You have to remember that you have to put 0 or cross under the first digit number, and the first digit result which we are getting after multiplication of 4 with 2 and 7. Okay, now we will multiply it. 2 2 are 4, 2 7 are 14. You have to write these numbers under the above numbers accordingly. Now after that, once you are done with multiplication, you have to use addition. You have to add these two numbers. 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Okay, if you have any problem in the addition, we have another lectures available here. You can go and watch it. Okay, thank you. Here 1 will be carried forward towards this number. 4 plus 2 plus 1. 4 2 are 8. 8 plus 1 is 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So here we have only 1. We can write it here. this is the method through which you have to follow, through which you have to follow other examples also. Okay, so this is it, and in the lecture 2 this will be continued. In the lecture 2 we will try to solve a few examples so that you will remember and you will learn more about the multiplication. Okay, thank you very much.